Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a Microsoft account or Azure Active Directory identity, and an organization name to claim. Once you have those, go to Azure DevOps and choose Create Organization. Make sure to select the Azure region closest to your team to reduce latency. Enter your organization name, then link your identity, personal or work, when prompted. This locks the account namespace, so pick a unique name. When done, you'll land on the new organization dashboard, ready for project creation. Once your organization exists, you create a project to organize work. Click New Project, give it a clear name, choose Visibility, private for internal work, public for open source, and pick a process, Basic, Agile, Scrum, to match your workflow. Make sure to configure version control, Git, or TFVC now. Next, go to Organization Settings to add billing info if needed, and invite team members by email assigning appropriate roles. This sets permissions and access patterns, so work starts correctly without surprises. To finish setup, initialize your repo or import code, create at least one pipeline or build, and set branch policies to protect main branches. You should also add boards and work item types so planning begins. Integrate with Azure or install the Azure DevOps CLI for automation. If something goes wrong, like invite emails not arriving, verify user permissions, resend invites, and clear browser cache or try an incognito window. If permission errors persist, confirm the user's AAD status and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.